some point in our timeline, we as individuals are presented with a question: what is the meaning of life? And as cliche as that question may sound, it's true. I thought of this question a lot. Maybe because I'm getting to that point in life of becoming an adult. A simple and yet extremely complex question. I think I came to an answer. Life is what we make it to be. I've had to take time away from myself. It's true. You don't know how much things mean to you until they're gone. And it hurts a lot. It's about those moments where it all seems pointless, where we think there isn't a meaning at all, our lowest points. But that doesn't mean it's over. Life, it picks up again. For better or worse, there's always a struggle. And it's always a fight between good or bad, because what we choose defines the consequences, defines us, our lives. Not one decision is sound. There's other things I gotta worry about now. College, a job, a place to live, my family, bigger things, myself. Life is about the decisions you make. And until that fact is proven untrue, we're always traveling to new experiences, multiplying and adding to the memories that embody us. It's only yours when you're the one to choose. I choose to make a name for myself. And that makes all the difference.